Installing and leveling the Engle Mounting Bracket. The Engle Mounting Bracket is designed to support lights, units, monitors, and vacuum groots on either the right or left side of the Engle 300 series dental chair. Tools required: 1 level, 1 9/16 inch socket wrench, 1 3/16 inch hex wrench. Align the holes on the top plate with the holes on the mounting bracket. Use either set of holes depending on how close you want the post to the chair. Using a 9/16 inch socket wrench, tighten the bolts against the top plate, but do not tighten completely. Using a 3/16 inch hex wrench, tighten the set screws against the top plate until they barely touch. Check the leveling of the mounting bracket and make note of which set screws need adjustment. Adjust the set screws until the mounting bracket is level. Tighten the bolts completely against the top plate after leveling the bracket. Double check leveling after tightening bolts against the top plate.